Are your Facebook ads falling short of expectations? Are you struggling to get any return on investment? The problem may not be Facebook but your advertising strategy. Firstly, are you targeting the right audience? Facebook can be incredibly specific with targeting demographics, interests, or behavior. Take time to research your audience and tailor your ads accordingly. Secondly, what's your budget? It's impossible to get good results on a shoestring budget. Investing in a Facebook campaign can be expensive, but it's worth it if done right. Thirdly, is your ad creative really that creative? Facebook can be a cluttered place, so make sure your ad is engaging and attention-grabbing. Use bright colors, bold typography, and incorporate movement to catch the eye. Fourthly, how frequently are you running your ads? Don't overdo it. Seeing the same ad over and over again can be irritating. Change up the creative or target audience often. Next, are you measuring your ads correctly? Ensure you're tracking the right metrics and adjust your ads based on the data. Also, is your landing page optimized? If someone clicks on your ad, they should have a user-friendly and relevant landing page to navigate. Consider testing different landing pages to see what converts best. Are you utilizing Facebook's ad formats to their full potential? Test out different ad formats such as image, video, or carousel ads to see what performs best. Lastly, is your offering compelling enough? Does your product or service solve a problem for your target audience? Consider the value proposition and make it clear in your ad. By considering these factors, you can refresh your Facebook ad strategy and see the results you want.